We got some strawberries for making jam and other stuff. So today we're making strawberry jam. For this you need 4 kilograms of red strawberries, sugar to taste, and halal gelatin 3 teaspoons. So first we're going to put the stove on.
So first, before we put it on the stove, we cut the edge off and we washed it so that it could get cooked, and now we are boiling it. So after you get started, or before, just make sure that you're doing this on a non-stick surface, otherwise you're going to have problems, and not to add any water. So I'm going to give it a stir and you can see what it looks like as it's heating up.
So it's been about 8 or 9 minutes and we finally have water rising from our strawberries, and now we can cook them easier. So right now it's on medium-low heat, and we're going to keep cooking this until it's completely melted and in pieces, in tiny pieces. So this is 8 more minutes later. So it's been 8 more minutes and it looks like this now. So it's been about 7 more minutes and now it looks like this. It's just creamy. We're gonna add our cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of salt. So it's been another 8 minutes and now it looks like this. This is how we're gonna leave it because we don't want it any less chunky or any bigger than this. So now we're gonna mix our gelatin with a cup of hot water. It's been 5 more minutes. So now we're going to add our gelatin. That's how you make jam. So now we're done. We're going to turn off the heat. So now it's been about 30 minutes and it's cooled off and it's beginning to harden from the gelatin, and we're going to pour it out.
You can see the consistency is a little bit chunky. You can blend it if you want it to be finer. And then we're going to put this in the fridge and we'll show you how it turned out. But right now this is going to start to harden, so you need to put this in a jar and in a fridge before it gets to that state. Hello everyone, so this is one day after when we have had it in the fridge and it has become jelly. You can see the consistency
Jam.
of the jam.
It's a strawberry jam.
And that's how you make strawberry jam. Thanks for watching, everyone.